And today tässä heittiläisillä 2024 Siirtolapuutarhankatu Tuesdays. Hey, and I can fill this USB later here.
Yeah, I have filled it.
Yes, you can write it for me.
Yeah.
6 was here built in 2001, but late 2003, 2001, but GeN2.
Yeah.
So it's also an early one.
Yeah.
That's number SB 1802996 capacity, 8 version source diagram, so it's dim, but
Yeah.
let's take 2 out here. Another of the earliest GeN2 in Finland, but April 2000 it has the earliest.
Yeah.
Still it's not a bad door. By warnings.
Niin teet vaikka kivaisuttaa, että meidän teet kai Suomen hissiurakointi.
Fortunately, the maintenance is not very good.
Yeah.
It's a bit bumpy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.